Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to make this 3D object in Solidworks software, and I also show in this video how to make in 2D section view. So at first I'm going to the file and taking the new part is selected, then OK. After that I'm selecting the units. mmgs is selected, millimeter, gram, second. Then plane is taken, top plane. Go to the extruded boss. Then I'm selecting the circle first, sketching a circle, one circle and another circle. However, you are watching this video, the previous section, the circle. So I'm drawing those circle. Okay, now then I'm going to the go to the smart dimension and determine the dimension. The outer circle diameter is 50 and the inner circle diameter is 35. Okay, then exit it. Okay, I'm going to take the upwards, it will be 50 millimeters. Then I'm going to top plane again. Go to the features, go to the reference geometry and plan and taking from 0. Okay, done. Then I'm going to also extrude was selected. Then go to the sketch, select the corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Span will be from here. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a circle. Going to take the circle, sketch a circle up to this. Okay, then go to the trim entities, select, then trim it, trim this line. Now I'm going to this part dimension and determine this one is 100 millimeters. Taking this one is 100 millimeters, then I'm going to exit it. And I'm taking this one is 50, not 50, it will be 10 millimeters I'm taking. Okay, done. Okay. After that, I'm going to take the right plane, front plane is taken, go to the reference geometry, and I'm taking this one is from 0 origin, origin. Okay, then I'm going to take the line, sketch a line from the inner side. Here I'm taking, or I can take also from here to here, then exit it. Then features, rib is selected, click on this. Then you are watching, then okay. Done. The rib is done. If you want it to take the from here, in this case you can choose here. Okay, going to again. Okay, if you then taking the line and taking from here, then up to this. Okay, then go to the features and select the rib command, click on this line, then okay, done. You are watching. Then I'm going here and remove the plane. I'm going to select the color. I can select the materials, metal, bronze is select. Brush, I'm taking the brush. Okay, polish brush is taken. Then I want to remove it. I want to increase or decrease the color. Okay. Okay. You are watching. I'm going again. Then I'm going to chamfer in this two portion. Here you are watching. If you are watching here, the chamfer is done. So I'll also champering from to this portion. Click here. Another click is here. Then I'm going to select and chamfer is select. Then 10 millimeters is full radius. Okay, done. I think this color I should change. So I'm taking another color. I'm taking this color for full body. Okay, for watching. Thank you. You are watching all the portion. Control it. Okay, done. Then I can save it. Save as 0001. Okay, done. After that, I want to in 2D view. Go to the file, taking new, drawing is selected. Okay. I'm taking the A4 size space. I'm selecting this 001. So the front view is done, top view, side view, and the 3D view. Okay, I think got it my point. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And Redesign Engineering is always with you. Please subscribe my channel.